Lions and tigers are among the most ferocious animals, but there are important differences between them. They are both among the 5 big cats and are apex predators. That is, they have no predators of their own and reside at the top of the food chain. But just who are these titans of the wilderness? Which is the strongest? And which of them reigns supreme? We thought it would be fun to take a closer look at the 2 kings of the animal kingdom and see how they stack up next to one another in this episode of Viral B, Lion versus Tiger. Lions typically inhabit the savanna and grassland, although they may take to bush and forest. Lions are unusually social compared to other cats. The male lion is highly distinctive and is easily recognized by its mane. Native to the mainland of Asia, the tiger is the largest feline species in the world. The Bengal tiger is the most common subspecies of tiger, constituting approximately 80% of the entire tiger population. Let's start with the physical dimensions. Weight. Reaching up to 550 pounds, lions are the second largest in the cat family. Male lions are 20 to 35% larger than the females and 50% heavier. Tigers are the heaviest cats found in the wild, but subspecies differ strongly in size. The heaviest Indian tiger mentioned in literature weighed 857 pounds. The heaviest Siberian tiger, 846 pounds. Females are smaller. Height. Lions are at least 3.5 to 3.9 feet for males, and adult tigers are 2.3 to 4 feet tall at shoulder height. As with lions, the male tigers are almost always taller than the females. Top speed. Lions can run as fast as 45 to 50 miles per hour. Adult tigers can run as fast as 30 to 40 miles per hour in short bursts. The tigers of the Amur species can run up to 50 miles per hour. Physical strength. Lions are around 60% muscle and have higher density bones than tigers. In terms of bone strength, lions are stronger. Tigers are around 60 to 70% muscle. In terms of muscular strength, tigers are stronger. Mouth strength. Lions have 3.2-inch canines and heavy pressure jaws, a bite force of around 650 psi. Tigers have a wide mouth that has strong teeth, 3.6-inch canines, and a bite force of around 1,000 psi. Lifespan. In the wild, lions live for approximately 12 to 18 years, while in captivity they can live for over 24 years. The lifespan of tigers in the wild is thought to be about 10 to 12 years. In zoos, they live up to 25 years or more, but not by much. Hunting. Most female lions hunt together. They have 3 important hunting strategies that vary based on the prey: the ambush, the blitz, and the siege, whereas tigers hunt alone during the night. Diet. A typical lion's diet will include zebra, giraffe, buffalo, wildebeest, gazelles, and impala. Tigers' main prey species are also large animals, such as deer, buffalo, and wild pigs, but they will also hunt fish, monkeys, birds, and reptiles. Brain size. The lion has the largest brain out of all the big cat species, except the tiger. The tiger's brain is 25% larger and reaches maturity faster than all other big cats. Reproduction. Female lions will give birth after a gestation period of 100 to 110 days, and female tigers will give birth after a gestation of 104 days. A mother lioness will nurse cubs for 10 to 12 months, and the tigress for 18 to 24 months. So now a question for you. Who would win in a fight, and which one should have the title, the King of the Jungle? The best comments will be pinned. Here are some other cool videos I know you'll enjoy, and we'll see you guys next time.